Alright, we got a gorgeous 1970 Dodge Charger 500. New arrival, Westport Auto Center. Big block, power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, dual 4 barrels, air conditioning, bucket seat, center console. Sounds like we got a little belt noise, just got it in, so we'll look into that. But nicely done. Hideaway headlights. Just a great car. Just a great car. You'll find about 100 pictures at www.westportautocenter.com. Again, that's www.westportautocenter.com. Please like and share the video. Subscribe to the channel. Help us grow. Leave your comments, your feedbacks below. Just got the car in. So there's a tiny chip there, tiny one there that's been touched up. The paint is nice on the car. Nice straight body, great reflection, mirror light. Your power disc brakes in the rear, power drilled and slotted disc brakes in the front, but you can see the reflection. It's a nice car. Appears to be the original trimmer on the windows, still in good shape. Little slight patina. I'm being picky, but in great shape. Let's look at the reflection on the paint. Drip rails look great. Just a nice car. Fly in and check this out in person. Fly into St. Louis International, Lambert, one in the same airport. Forward us your itinerary, call us, let you know you're coming. We're more than happy to pick you up. Bring it to any one of our 3 warehouses. We'll take it for a ride, put it up on a lift, make sure it's a good fit. But nice car. If you can't make it in person, we welcome third-party inspections. No problems whatsoever. Not need all the money to buy a classic car. We have financing, great terms, great rates, small percentage of down payment, nice interior on the car. Nice car. And we just got it in. There's the package tray. Drip rail. So we'll run it through the shop. Do a paint correction on it. They all get it regardless of the paint. Just a nicely done car. Got the Tic Toc Tac. That gauge, the tachometer I should say, is not presently working. Got a new one coming. Take this test drive, but like I said, we just got it in. Usually, they all need a little something, and we'll go through it. Again, we're Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri. That's in the suburbs of St. Louis. We're 25-30 minutes from International Airport. As a courtesy service, we arrange transportation at your expense, but we do it as a courtesy service. Make sure that you're getting a reputable transport and getting what the going rate is. We ship all around the world. We've sold to 76 countries in every single state. Been doing this for over 25 years. Been in our same location for over 20. Great running car. Good tight suspension. Great body lines. Love this dark blue metallic box stripes. Bumblebee stripe in the back. Does have a matching spare tire and jack. Tire iron, I should say. Again, 314-346-6039, www.westportautocenter.com. What a great car. Spring's coming. Nice and tight, good running, driving car. Hideaway headlights work. Again, if you want to pick up the phone, call 314-346-6039, Westport Auto Center, Fenton, Missouri. Thanks for watching.